Last updated, the 18th of July 11:52 p.m. French police attempt to defuse disturbances on the Champs-Élysées following France's World Cup when police used tear gas as violence erupted in Paris following France's World Cup win over Croatia on Sunday night. Windows were broken on the Champs-Élysées, and objects including bottles and chairs were thrown at police officers who responded by using tear gas. About 30 people, many wearing ski masks, broke into the Publicis drugstore and later left with bottles of wine and champagne, some smiling and filming themselves with cell phones. As hundreds of thousands of revelers gradually left the famous avenue, police used water cannon to disperse remaining troublemakers at around 11:30 p.m. Police fired tear gas at rioters in Paris following France's World Cup win. Elsewhere in France, authorities said clashes erupted in the southern city of Lyon between police and about 100 youths who had climbed on top of a police vehicle at an open-air showing of the match in the city center. Police fired tear gas to disperse the youths, who responded by throwing objects and setting rubbish bins on fire, with the unrest causing some stampeding. 10 people were arrested in Marseille, where 2 members of the security forces were injured in clashes, a police spokesman said.